2 weeks I was gone. I wasn't feeling so good. I got a little sick, so I needed some time off. But now that I'm feeling good, time to crank out some recipes for you guys. Today's recipe, butter chicken. Should come out really good. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started here on Cook! Don't be lazy! So as the name implies, butter chicken, we want to use a tender piece of meat. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs is going to work just perfect. However, the processing plant doesn't always do a good job at removing bones. So make sure you go through your chicken, remove any remaining bones, and lightly trim it so that we end up with nice sized chunks. Throw some salt. Some minced garlic. About a tablespoon or two. Some ginger paste. About a nice tablespoon. Ground cumin. About a tablespoon. Garam Masala. About a tablespoon. Paprika. About a teaspoon. Ground turmeric. About a teaspoon. Some chili powder. About a teaspoon. Tablespoon. Something like that. Plain yogurt. Not Greek yogurt. Plain yogurt. 1, 2, 2.5 heaping tablespoons of plain yogurt. And the juice of about half a lemon. Get this mixed in. Get yourself a freezer bag. And you know what? I'm just going to go in with my hands. A little messy, but oh well. Alright, now that that bag is sealed, this is our chicken marinade, or a marinade for our chicken, however you want to say it. Get this bad boy in the fridge. We're going to let that marinate for about 30 minutes minimum. In the meantime, go ahead and start cleaning up your mess, and it's never a bad time to drink a little milk. So minimum 30 minutes later, get yourself a nice sized pan and set your stove to about a medium high. I'm going to set my stove to about a 6.5, 7. Get some veggie oil. About that much. We're going to let this heat up. So once you feel it's nice and hot, let's get our chicken in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook this chicken for about 6, 7, maybe 8 minutes total time, stirring here and there. We want to brown this chicken basically. I can tell you one thing, smelling real good up in here right now. Once your chicken is a little brown, Scoop it off into a plate, set it off to the side, set your stove to about a 4, and throw in half a diced onion, or half an onion that's diced. Is that proper pronunciation? You get the point. We're gonna cook this down for about 5 minutes. Alright, let's get our gravy going for our butter chicken. We're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of butter. Some salt. Some chili powder. Just gonna eyeball it. Coriander. Some ground cumin. Just eyeballing it. Some turmeric. These are all pretty much equal amounts. And some tomato puree. Not sauce, puree. Roughly half a cup or so. Get this stirred in. And we're going to let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. We want these flavors to come together, just the gravy itself. So once this sauce has come together, take some heavy whipping cream. And we're going to pour roughly half of it, which is about a cup, into the pan. Get that nice and stirred. Take your chicken. Put your chicken back in along with the juices. Oh, this is looking so good. Cover it up. So you're gonna let that simmer for about 15 minutes. After that, time to plate up. And that's how you make butter chicken. Real easy to make. Give it a shot. You won't regret it. I'm going to chow down, so I'll see you guys next week here on Cook. Don't be lazy.